All right, so here is the heavy-duty pet screening from Home Depot. I mean, heavy-duty. You'd be hard-pressed to even tear this with your hand. It's really, like, very substantial. If I was going to put a fishing pound test on this, it's like a 150-pound test. All right, let's install it, see what it looks like. All right, the mesh is in, and it goes in there really tight with the spline because this is so thick. I mean, this stuff is so thick. You do that with regular screen. No, it's just heavy. It's at least 5 times heavier than regular screen, maybe more. You can't rip that by hand. It's got fibers running through it too. See the fibers running through it? That's like braided test on fishing line.